Good morning, everybody. Today is a very wet and foggy day. As you can see, I got a few errands to run. I got to run to the post office, drop off some merch mail for Megan while she's at work. And also, I should have a package there that was sent to me by a company for an honest review. So let's go see if they're there. But since Megan is at work, I'm going to steal her car because my daily apparently decided it didn't want to work anymore, and I'm waiting on parts. So let's fire up her VR4 and take it out for some fun. All right, fingers crossed that the car starts on the first try. Battery has been dying and it's on a jump box right now, so let's see. Ooh, we got gauges. That's a good sign. Awesome. All right, thankfully it started, so now I can head over to the post office, do what I need to do, run some errands. I could definitely use a battery sponsor. That'd be so helpful right now. I have too many cars out here to keep track of everything. I mean, the truck, this car, and my other car, they just eat batteries. I don't know what's going on, but all right, let's go. Can we take a moment to just appreciate this beauty? Whew. She's a little chunky, but she's sexy. All right, so recently I received an email from a company called Shine Armor. They wanted me to do a blind product review. They were going to send me out a product of their choice and have me review it and give an honest review of what I think of the product is. I'm not getting paid for this. It's just a, hey, we'll send you something. Tell us what you think. But I got the box. Let's open it up and see what they sent me. But first, we need the murder weapon. Oh, this is a dull murder weapon. All right. First off, we have shipping label, so some brown paper. Looks like we have 2 purple shimmies. They actually feel legit. They don't feel light and cheap like you get at some of the like the junkie stores, but these actually feel pretty decent quality. I mean, how they actually do when wets, we'll find out. That will dictate. And also a bag. Anti-fog hero. Oh, if we can get the camera to focus. Focus, not on me. There, wait, there we go. Maybe. Anti-fog hero. You know, this actually would probably work very well on a day like today.
since it is so wet and foggy out, like I'm just kind of steaming up the windows being here. I got the, you know, it's a little humid in here, but it's getting colder every morning and my windows are quite foggy going to work. So let's see. Looks like a little tear tab. I mean, that's actually kind of cool. Once I get this open, I'll show you. Ah, wait. So the cap actually has a little built-in chamois holder. That's pretty wild. I've honestly not seen anything like that before. So this way, you can keep your chamois with your anti-fog cleaner. That's pretty wild. So already, I'll say just for the product itself, just the overall first impressions, I'm pleased with it. So, but the true test is, how well does it work? All right, all that's left is to try this product out. But before I do that, I need to go hit the gym. I've hit my Ghost pre-workout. Got a few more errands. I might be actually picking up a welder today. I'm excited for that. But until then, I'll pick this back up when we're at the house. Ding. No ding. Wait. Yeah, that's the ding. All right, I'm back at the house. Hopefully Megan won't kill me, but I may have picked up a few more Hot Wheels for the garage wall. Oops. All right, now that the sky is clear, the sun is out, let's apply the Shine Armor Anti-Fog Hero. The directions say to spray on a surface and allow it to dry, buff with a microfiber towel until clear and streak free. Sounds pretty simple enough. So what I figured I'll do is I'll spray it on the side mirrors, the side windows, and the front windshield, and then wait till morning and see how it does. And to really test it, I'm going to tape off part of the window, clean only one side, and we'll actually be able to see the difference between applied and non-applied. Alright, now it didn't really say whether to apply it to the inside or the outside, so to be fair, I'm going to spray both sides. That way we get a full test. Got the mirror taped off, and I'll just do some with the window. But I will say right off the bat, the fact that it has this cap with the microfiber towel built in has already won the style points for me. I like that. That way you always have everything together. So, let's go ahead and start spraying. I will say it does not have a very strong chemical smell, which is nice. I don't like to be overwhelmed with a lot of chemical smelling, like perfumes or just like burning. Let's go ahead and spray a little bit more. I'll go ahead and knock this mirror out. Alright, in the middle of doing this review, we are actually getting car parts delivered. That is awesome! Everything's all set. Now we just got to wait until morning to see the final results out on this car. But once again, I still can't get over this bottle and cap. Chamois, goes straight in the lid, back on top. I love it. Y'all did a great job designing that one. So some of the other benefits I think this product will have is some of my underwater gear. So I have this 50-50 GoPro Dome. So what this allows me to do is go half underwater, half above, or completely under. You know, I get some good water shots. Well, the problem I run into is this lens fogs over quite easily, and it's a little annoying, messes up your shot. And the other one is, of course, when I go snorkeling, the snorkel mask can fog over. So I'm really excited. Next time I head to the beach or the lake and to go swimming, I'm going to test it out on this. Of course, right now I don't have a plan to go to the beach, so these will have to wait. But I am really excited to try this product on these two guys. And I figured, hey, while we wait until morning, I can spray it on this bathroom mirror, turn the shower on super hot, and see if the mirror holds up to all the fog. All right, let that dry. Let's go ahead and turn this up high. There we go. I have a lot of ducks. Quack, quack. It's been a couple minutes. This is the first time I've seen the mirror since turning on the shower. I can definitely tell you, that works. So you can see where I didn't spray it versus where I did spray it. I still have the shower running pretty hot and foggy in here. There's Nori. Hi, Nori. Goodbye, Nori. But that is a huge difference. So I'm gonna come down here where you can see me. If this is a sign of things to come, I am definitely impressed so far with this product. So let's see you in the morning. So I needed a way to fog up my windshield, so I brought this iron out to do the job. Oh yeah. Foggy. Other than my camera lens fogging up, so this is the side that was treated, that was the side that wasn't treated. And for fun, I do a little heart in the window over here. I would definitely say the shine armor works. As I mentioned before, this is a completely honest review. I'm not being paid by Shine Armor to say or test this product. They sent me this bottle and wanted me to give my honest review on how I thought this product did. Hi. The UPS truck that showed up in this video was bringing this box to me. I'll open that up in another video. It's something a little exciting that's going to go for the base first gen that Megan owns, and it should be a lot of fun. What y'all doing? I would like to take a moment and thank Shine Armor for sending the product out. It actually worked really well, and I'm excited to see what other products they have for sale. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and I encourage everyone to go check them out. Please support the people who support me. I would also like to give back to some of my subscribers, whether it be pulling a name at random and sending them something such as, I don't know, car care products, just as a way of saying thank you for being awesome. As for Megan and I, we're both going through some pretty crazy changes right now. I've swapped careers, I'm chasing a dream of mine. She's going back to school to be a paramedic. We're both excited for where our future's going to take us, and we're both excited to continue our car journey together. So never stop chasing what you love. So please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. Every little bit helps my videos out, and I want to say thank you to everybody. Peace out. I'm not in the colors.